Happy time zone everyone, Aussienutz here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to bring all of your Twitch overlays to YouTube or any other live streaming service you may be using. It's very easy and very simple. You'll want to head over to your streaming tools and click on My Overlay. From here you'll see all of your overlays pop up in the middle. You want to make sure that you're logged into the account you want to duplicate over to the other streaming service, which is in the top right corner there, and once you've done that you'll simply look for the three dots under each overlay. Click those and choose where you want to duplicate them. For example, if you want to duplicate them from Twitch over to YouTube, then you'll simply make sure YouTube is checked in the box there and hit submit when you're done. Like so. And I'll do a quick example on the Kappa Gen. Click that, done. Then you'll go to the top right again and simply change over to the other streaming service account. In this case, for me, I duplicated it over to YouTube. And head to streaming tools, my overlays, and hit that. And there you have it. It's copied over to YouTube from Twitch. All you'll need to do then is check that it's all copied correctly, that in which it should have. Then copy the browser source into your streaming software and test it out just to be sure. Make sure everything looks good and you're simply good to go. Thank you guys for watching my first tutorial video. I hope you like it. Leave some comments, hit that like button, subscribe. I'll be doing some more very soon. I appreciate your time. Thank you and have a great day.